nautical pup. What do you think, Bob? Look at us on a world of adventure with the hanky bear. He's a little anxious, but we're working right now. What do you think, Bub? Your first time on a boat.
This is perfect.
What do you think, Hanky? This is so fun. What do you think, little sailor? What do you think? You having fun? You're so handsome. See in the sight, there's some geese over there making some noises. The Bubs is observing them.
What a beautiful day.
Hanky,
I wish it's shooting.
we're having so much fun. Bubs, what do you think? Look at this good boy. Look at this good boy. He's so happy. Vicky, do you think we should get a pup cup after this? What do you think? He's back awake from his nap. Good time. Good time.